This car and our car were there.
Yeah, that's my car.
Yep. Oh, we're gonna see Daddy.
You can see that over there.
Yeah, in there. Let's go. Color blue. Wearing color blue. There's Daddy. Look at that. Color blue. With hat. Wearing hat. Let's go.
What is this?
Go, Michael. Go with Daddy. Oh, go Daddy, anak. Hi, Matt. Hi, Matt. Hi, Matt. Do you still remember me?
You remember Pilar?
Yes. Hi. It's been a while. We didn't see each other.
Oh, I had a surprise for him.
Oh, it's your sister.
That's your baby sister. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Sophia.
And there's Dion.
And Dion, this is your other brother. Okay?
This is your sister now.
Apple.
Give him a Pilar a
Okay,
hug.
Micah. Okay, Micah.
Yeah.
Apple. Hi, Matt. Nice to see you.
I'll say hi to Dion.
Dion.
Dion, this is your brother.
Brother anak, brother Matt.
Hi, Dion.
Hello, Dion.
He's shy. Yeah. That's your baby sister, buddy.
Sophia.
Is that baby sister? Look.
Yeah, her name is Sophia.
Yeah. That's your baby sister. Yeah. He went down the slide a couple times. And,
Yeah.
yeah, he did good.
Yeah, Ate Rosel said we can go to children's exploration.
Where is that?
Somewhere here? It's for kids.
Yeah.
We can stay here.
You can play on the swings and slides for a while. You want to play on the slide, Dion? You can go play. What's up with him? Tired? Let's go for a quick walk.
Dion, let's go.
Let's go.
Playmate.
You want to push?
Push it. Push it, the stroller.
Drama. Did you go swimming today?
No, not
yet.
today. How are you, babe?
Tired.
Tired? Why? What did you do?
Got up early.
1 hour, 30 minutes.
Yeah, you're falling dry.
How many minutes is from here, the nursing care, babe?
Maybe 10 minutes.
Okay.
15 minutes. Is he okay now? Come on, buddy. Push.
Oh, no fighting, no fighting.
Mama, there's a police.
Dion, you
Is
gotta
it
push.
police?
Yes.
Need help? Need help, Dion? Huh? Need help? No. Push. Push, buddy. There you go. Push.
Doesn't matter. Go over there. Go over there. Yeah. Nice weather, babe. 78. Yep. I like it too.
More yellow wild cold flowers.
Yes.
down around.
Yeah. Go in the concrete, babe. Where you going grass? The same ours?
This is a wild. This is what goes wild. You see what's eating it?
Caterpillar.
It's a monarch butterfly caterpillar. They like them.
Yeah.
Yep. Anybody? Okay, you want to see the caterpillar? Michael, did you see it? Where's Michael? Michael, did you see the caterpillar?
Yes.
Just like the little one on your mom's milkweed, bud. That's a different type of milkweed. Sounds like a helicopter. Here comes the helicopter, Dion. You hear it? There it is, buddy. Look. There's the helicopter. Yeah. There it goes. Look.
There it goes.
Did you see it?
No.
Huh?
It's going down now.
Did you see it? Hungry? Oh, now one below the tree, but you can't see. You have to keep them in. When it gets starting to get dark, you can't let them out, baby. He's getting all bit up. That's Matthew. That's your brother. Huh? Say hi. Wait, hi. 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 Yeah, that's Matthew.
Let's go.
Yeah. You go, Daddy, push you in the car.
Yes.
Huh? You ready?
Ready.
Let's go, Mama.
Huh, sweetheart? You ready to go? Dion. Stop it with the drama. Hi, Matthew. Hi. Yeah, you like Matthew, don't you? Hi. You want to talk to him? Let's go for a ride. Walk. Come on.
She's smiling.
Yeah. He likes me.
Brother, Matthew, my Sophia.
Come on, Dion.
Dion, let's go.
Oh, look at that black squirrel.
Black, color black.
Take a picture. Look, Michael, a black squirrel. I've never seen one.
First time I see a black squirrel.
Look at that. See it, like squirrel. A black one. Did you ever see a black one? Yeah.
First time I see that.
Neat. I didn't know there was any black squirrels around here.
But did you know there's a black squirrel?
I heard of white ones, but I never heard of no black ones. Like, that's cool.
That's the sound.
You got the red squirrels, and then you got those gray ones.
A bird.
bird.
A bird.
Cornflower, babe.
Probably baby. Wow, dude. Look at those wild ones. They're growing everywhere. The yellow ones. The yellow ones. They say they got white ones up by Argonne National Lab.
Ah,
This thing's gray and red. I don't want it. Everything's black. Hey, B-bomb.
yeah. Monarda bibam.
Maybe they planted this stuff. B-bomb. B-bomb. Yeah, maybe they planted some of this stuff. Look. I got to meet Tammy and John.
Angela, is it? New socks for Angela?
I have to call Angela.
Call for Angela for new socks. It is.
You're listening to that.
You're calling for Angela new socks for Christian Red Face Ankle. Yay!
You like it? She's smiling.
Smiling.
You like it? You like it?
I love new socks.
Oh,
Alright!
get out of the road. Here comes a car.
Micah, stay here, Micah.
Keep going that side. Running away.
Let's go, Dion. Gotta get back. Go back. Come on.
Come on, Dad. Get up!
Come on, Dion. Get up. Get up, Dion. Get up, Dion.
Look at Dion's face. Like,
Tell him, man.
what?
Yeah, get up!
Dion, get up. Dion, get up.
Dion, get up. Your brother said, Dion, get up.
That's
Dion, get up.
Dion, get up.
Michael, don't kick your brother.
Start. Yeah, get up!
Get up.
Get up. Dion, get up. We're waiting for you. Get up.
Get up!
Dion, get up.
Come on, we're waiting for you, buddy. Let's go.
Get up, anak.
I'm gonna start going. You ready? Go, go. Go, go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's start going. Come on, Ian. Ready? Let's go.
Dion, get up. Bye. Yeah. Go, Dion, go.
Alright.
Chase the bird.
You want to get the bird?
Chase the bird, Dion.
You gonna put in the park or you going back to the I got a call. Going back to the house? Okay.
Are we going now?
Yeah, I gotta get Nancy back. So I'm gonna start. I'll walk through.
Play for a minute, babe. Just play for a minute, babe.
What?
Play for a minute, babe.
10 minutes? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit for about 10 minutes, buddy, then we'll get into it. Oh, okay.
Look, Mama, she goes over there.
He's gonna go inside daddy's car.
Yes. She wants to go inside there.
Bye, Matthew. Bye.
You won't in there.
Hi, your brother, man.
Yes.
Bye, babe.
Bye, babe.